Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I'm absolutely buzzing today because we're diving into the Hurom H400 Easy Clean Slow Juicer, a 2025 kitchen powerhouse that's taking Amazon by storm. Tired of juices that leave you with pulp disasters or drinks that taste like they've been through a blender? This slow juicer extracts every drop of vibrant, nutrient-rich goodness from your produce, making healthy sipping a breeze. Imagine loading up leafy greens or whole fruits and getting smooth, flavorful juice without the endless scrubbing. If you're ready to make wellness delicious and effortless, stick around. This one's a game changer. Grab it through the link in the description to support the channel and score the best deal. Let's squeeze the most out of it. The Hurom H400 is a vertical slow juicer with a 150-watt motor spinning at 60 RPM to preserve enzymes and minimize oxidation. Its patented screw and straining system squeezes juice slowly for maximum yield, pulling up to 30% more from fruits and veggies than centrifugal models. The wide 3-inch feed chute swallows whole apples or carrots without chopping, and the touch control panel offers simple settings for soft fruits, hard veggies, or sorbets. It handles leafy greens, citrus, and even makes nut milks with the included strainer. The juice outlet pours directly into an 18-ounce glass jug with a pulp container that ejects waste separately. At 16.5 inches tall, 7 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, it weighs about 14 pounds with a sleek matte black or silver finish. All parts are BPA-free with dishwasher-safe components, a cleaning brush, and a 10-year motor warranty, priced around $500. What sets it apart? The easy clean design is genius. No tiny screens to scrub, just rinse underwater for 30 seconds. The low-speed extraction keeps juice fresh longer, reducing foam and separation for that premium cafe taste at home. It's whisper quieted under 50 decibels, so you can juice at dawn without waking the house. The wide chute cuts prep time in half, and the self-feeding action prevents dry runs. Users love how it tackles fibrous kale or ginger without clogging, and the included recipes guide you from beginner to pro. In 2025's health craze, this juice is perfect for busy folks wanting pro-level nutrition without the chore. Now, pros and cons after weeks of daily juicing. Pros: superior nutrient retention for brighter, tastier juice that lasts days in the fridge, high yield with minimal pulp, ultra easy cleanup that's a game changer for haters of scrubbing, quiet operation for peaceful mornings, versatile for everything from green detoxes to frozen sorbets, and that 10-year warranty screams quality. Cons: $500 is a hefty upfront cost for casual sippers. It's slower than fast juices, so batches take a few minutes longer. The chute still needs light trimming for super large produce, and at 14 pounds, it's not the lightest to lift onto counters. Some note the glass jug is pretty but fragile if dropped, my take. If you're serious about fresh, nutrient-dense juices as part of your daily routine and hate cleanup hassles, the Hurom H400 is a slam dunk. The pros like yield and ease make it ideal for wellness warriors who has time for juicer drama in 2025. Quick shout out to subscribe for more kitchen gear that simplifies life, like if this squeezed value from your day and share with a friend who needs better mornings. But the real MVP move? Click that referral link in the description to snag yours. It keeps the channel going and gets you the best price. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. Like, share, or subscribe if it helped, and I'll catch you in the next one.